Need to import users into your WooCommerce store automatically at a specific time or on a recurring schedule? Here's how to schedule a user import using the built-in scheduler in the WebToffee WordPress users and WooCommerce customers Import-Export plugin. To start the import from the WordPress dashboard, go to WebToffee Import-Export Pro and select Import. Choose User/Customer as the post type and proceed to the next step. Choose the required import method. Here we'll use Advanced Import. Select the import source, add the file containing your user data, and continue. In the column mapping section, make sure each column from the import file is mapped to the correct WordPress user field. Once the required fields are mapped, proceed to the advanced options. Configure how existing users should be identified and whether they should be skipped or updated. You can also choose whether to send emails to newly imported users and adjust the batch processing settings when required. Next, click Import/Schedule and select Schedule instead of running the import immediately. For the schedule type, select WordPress Cron, which is the plugin's built-in scheduling option. Choose how frequently the import should run. You can schedule it daily, weekly, monthly, or at a custom interval. Set the required start date and time, and then click Schedule Now. To view or manage the import, go to WebToffee Import-Export Pro and select Scheduled Actions. From here, you can check the schedule, enable or disable the action, or delete it when it is no longer required. That's how you can automate WooCommerce user imports using the plugin's built-in scheduler. Thanks for watching.